Hi people, time another one, time another malt liquor video. Today's start of the show. Malt patriot like this or not. Another earthquake, people. Listen for it. Sound of a craft beer drinker cunt's neck being popped. I'm in the rain, starting to come down. People in the background, in the field there. Do you make it out? There is a softball league going, or kickball league going on. Yes, kickball. Bunch of 18, 19, 20, 21, 22-year-old apparent people. Looks like they're in college. Kickball league people. There's a game right in front of us here. There's one we can't make out over here. Kickball league. Jesus fucking Christ. Malt liquor, label out. So you can get. And I am standing in the rain. They're playing kickball on a Friday night in the rain. When I go on my walks at night, a couple times a week, I see this going on. Not to put people down for what they want to do. I mean, fuck. I drink malt liquor on camera in public. The risk of park rangers and the 5-0 chase me down. They play kickball. I prefer the malt liquor. People, the first night that I saw this, months and months and months ago, I did not believe what I was seeing. Now I walk past them, it's like, oh well. People, let's do this. I think this is strange, unusual. Leave comments or make another video. What is the most unusual, weirdest, strangest, stupidest team league activity that you've ever seen? Can you beat teenager or college kids in a kickball league? Be interesting. Give them credit. They are playing in the rain. It was fucking baseball. First drop, they call the game. I wonder how many of them are going to make the National Kickball League and be stars and get sponsorships and stuff. Wow. My camera's gonna be okay. This is starting to come down, people. I gotta finish this up. Step back a little bit so you can enjoy the game. Well, hope this rain doesn't ruin my Angora rabbit hair hat. I'll be very upset. Approaching the swill, it's somewhere in this range. I gotta finish this because the rain and the bad taste is starting to hit. Oh. I just heard, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, that pole dancing is going to be an Olympic sport. So we're going to have a bunch of fucking strippers winning gold medals now? Why not make kickboxing an Olympic sport? Rugby. Rugby again. This finishes off. At the swill. Some people don't like it. I don't mind it. It's my swill. Why would I mind my swill? Barcode out. This is fucking... Yeah, it is with cans. I don't know if you can see. I'm fucking soaked, people. I'll leave you the little bit of the exciting game. Did you see that? That was a bunt. They actually bunt in kickball.